Kamusta? Magandang araw! Nandito tayo muli upang mag-aral ng math. Para sa araw na ito, ang pag-aaralan natin ay obtaining equation of a line using slope-intercept form. So, dapat muna nating tandaan na ang general form of the equation ay ax plus by plus c equals 0. Ang standard form naman ng equation ay ax plus by equals c. Again, parehas lang sila ng value, magkaiba lang sila ng form. Pero tatandaan na sa kung ano mang form, dapat hindi parehong equal sa 0 ang a at b. Okay, ang slope-intercept form of a line is y is equals to mx plus b. Kung saan ang slope ay kung ano yung value ng m at ang y-intercept ay kung ano yung value ng b. Subukan nating isolve ang problem na ito. Find the equation of the line with slope negative 4 and passes through point 0, 3. So dito, ang ating slope ay negative 4 at ang ating y-intercept ay 3. Gamit yung ating slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng slope at saka ng y-intercept. So magiging y is equals to negative 4x plus 3. And then, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng addition property of equality or subtraction property of equality. Kung saan, kung ano ang inad o sinubtract nyo sa kabilang side of the equation, yun din ang i-add or isa-subtract nyo sa kabilang side. So, in this case, we bring down 4x, we bring down y, and we bring down negative 3, which is equal to 0. So, ito ngayon yung tinatawag nating general form of the equation. Kung gusto naman natin na hanapin yung standard form, again, mula sa slope-intercept, substitute ulit natin yung value ng slope at yung y-intercept, and then, this time, we only need to transfer or ililipat lang natin yung may coefficient na x sa kabilang side of the equation. So, we use APE, kung saan anong inad sa kanan, yun din ang i-add sa kaliwa. So, bring down 4x and bring down y equals 3. So, ito na ngayon yung standard form of the equation. So, subukan pa natin ang isang problem. Find the equation of a line whose slope is 5 and that passes through point 0, negative 6. Again, mula sa ating slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng slope at ng y-intercept. So, y equals 5x plus negative 6. Para maalis natin yung parenthesis, magiging y equals 5x minus 6. So, ito na yung slope-intercept form natin. So, pwede natin ito ang gamitan ng addition property and subtraction property. So, kung anong inad o sinubtract sa kanang side, yun din ang i-add o isusubtract sa kaliwang side. So, bring down negative 5x, bring down y, and bring down 6 equals 0. Mapapansin nyo, yung addition property, pinagsabay ko na yung dalawang terms. So, pwede naman yun as long as hindi kayo malilito kung saan nyo siya ipa-place sa kabilang side of the equation. So, dahil negative yung nasa unahang part ng equation natin, pwede nating i-multiply yung entire equation sa negative 1. So, negative 5x times negative 1, and then y times negative 1, and then 6 times negative 1. So, that will become 5x minus y minus 6 equals 0. So, ito na ngayon yung ating general form of the equation. So, again, kung gusto nating hanapan yung standard form, so, mula pa rin doon sa y is equals to mx plus b, substitute lang natin yung ating values ng slope and y-intercept, and then gamitan natin siya ng APE or SPE. But in this case, ulitin natin yung yung may coefficient lang na x ang ililipat natin sa kabilang side. So, negative 5x and then negative 5x din sa kabila. We bring down negative 5x, bring down y equals negative 6. So again, para ma-avoid natin na may negative yung unahang ng ating equation, we can multiply the entire equation by negative 1. So magiging, ang sagot natin is negative 5x times negative 1 is 5x, and then y times negative 1 is negative y, and negative 6 times negative 1 is 6. So ito na ngayon ang ating standard form. Mag-try pa tayo ng isa pang problem kung saan ang slope natin ay nasa fraction form. So find the equation of the line with slope negative 3/4 and passes through point 0, 3. So again, from our equation, y is equal to mx plus b, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng ating slope at ng ating y-intercept. So y is equal to negative 3x over 4 or negative 3/4 x plus 3. Pwede natin itong i-multiply yung entire equation by the denominator na 4 para maalisan natin yung denominator. So, pag ginawa natin yon, magiging 4 times y is 4y. So, negative 3/4 x times 4 is negative 3x. And 3 times 4 is 12. So, we have 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. Mula dito, pwede nating ilipat or yung negative 3x plus 12 sa kabilang side of the equation para makuha natin yung general form. Kung ano in-add o sinubtract sa kanan, hindi na i-add and isusubtract sa kaliwa. So, we bring down 3x, bring down 4y, and then bring down negative 12 equals 0. So, again, this is the general form of the equation. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo namang hanapin yung standard form, so, mula dun ulit, dun sa 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. So, ang gagamitan lang natin ng APE is yung may literal coefficient na x. So, kung anong in-add sa kanan, yun din ang i-add sa kaliwa. So, bring down 3x plus 4y equals 12. Ito naman yung standard form of the equation. Lagi nating tatandaan na given yung slope na m at yung y-intercept na b, pwede nating hanapin yung equation of a line gamit yung formula ng slope-intercept form, which is y is equals to mx plus b. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Hanggang sa muli!